In this video I'm going to show you how to enable picture in picture mode in YouTube on iPhone. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open YouTube, then play any video like this one and just go home. As you can see, that video not flowing here. So for that, tap on settings to open and just swipe up for general. Tap on general and here is picture in picture, so tap on and by default it's turn it off, so just turn on, then go back to open your app store to check YouTube is up to date, like that. Then open, and as you can see YouTube is up to date. To open YouTube, then tap on profile icon in this bottom right corner, then tap on gear icon in this top, and here is general. Tap on and here is options picture in picture, so tap on to turn on picture in picture and go back and again play any video like that one. So if I go home, as you can see that video playing on picture in picture mode, and you can move around like that, or you can more size, just double tap here to resize to a small, as you can see, and if you tap double tap here and it open another size, so you can just pass forward or backward 10 seconds like that, and you can move here or you can just go back to full screen. So that way you can enable picture in picture mode in YouTube on iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.